Hey there, this is Ryan from TradeGenius.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to move the coins in your Phantom wallet to your Genius account in just a few seconds. So to start, you'll see here we have the Phantom Chrome extension as well as the Genius app. So the first thing you're going to want to do, and I'm going to skip this, but enter your password. So as you can see, we have our I Love Genius account on Phantom, and we want to move our official Trump coin and our Solana coin into the Genius platform. To do this, you're going to go into Genius, you're going to click Deposit, you're going to click Crypto Wallet, and you're going to copy your Solana address. We're going to copy this address. Now, we are on the Solana blockchain for the I Love Genius wallet. We're going to click Send, and we're going to send our official Trump coin to this wallet address. We'll paste that there. We're going to click Max Amount, and we're going to click Send. So now we've sent the Trump coin. It's important, if you have more than one coin that you want to send, to always send everything and then Solana last. So now we have Solana here. We can send Solana, paste the address in, and we have 0.13176 available. I'm going to do like 0.12, 0.125. And we're going to click Next, and we're going to click Send, and then this should work. There we go. So, there we go. Now, if we look into our Genius wallet here, or our I Love Genius wallet here on Phantom, the balance is basically $1, so it's almost all out. And the funds have been received on Genius, and you'll have full access to all of your funds via your portfolio page. And if you want to send them somewhere, you can click Send and send your dollar values. And you can deposit from pretty much any crypto wallet that you can send your funds from, whether that be on Solana or even in Phantom. If you have funds on Ethereum, Base, Polygon, you can send those to your EVM address as well. So you can copy that and send them there. So just a reminder, Genius is self-custodial, so you can always export your private keys and even upload them into Phantom, and you'll have full autonomy over your money at all times. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you next time.